Hi everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Pair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday the 30th of August. Looking at Eurodollar, Eurodollar broke out above 120 yesterday, didn't hold the break and subsequently reversed, leaving a sort of, it sort of is a doji candle, I suppose you'd say, the fact that it was basically sort of only 5 ticks away from the open and the close. Very, very small. I mean, basically you class that as an uncertain candle in the fact that you reversed from the highs and around about, well, not a million miles off, 100 ticks, 100 pips into the close. But that move has continued to the downside today. I mean, that sort of does pose a few questions, I think, really, with the certainly the breakout. Above 120 figure, which is psychological level, but also how whether you could see a bit of profit taking. You see these momentum indicators beginning just to roll over, certainly RSI. Mid 60s, stochastics crossing lower. And yeah, I mean, you could argue that is a bit of a, certainly if you saw a bear candle that closed maybe sort of 1909 area, would that arguably be an evening star? Maybe. So, yeah, just be careful with this. Evening star is a 3-candle setup where you have a bull candle, sort of this initial move to the upside, then that corrects on an intraday basis, and then followed by an equally sort of bear candle to match the bull candle. So, yeah, that could be an interesting setup. And that is a profit-taking setup. So watch out for that. But 1909 is that breakout support. That is key near term. If you certainly close below that, you're looking at increasingly sort of corrective momentum. Yeah, then look at sort of 1845 as a next area of support. But yeah, this is an interesting move that we're starting to see. You could even argue on the hourly chart, you've got a bit of a head and shoulders top there. Not massive. And you'd sort of measure it on a conservative basis, 1955 up to the high. It's about 110 ticks. So again, that gives you a bit of a downside corrective target back towards sort of that 1845 area. Momentum indicators on the hourly looking a little bit more corrective, aren't they? RSI 33 and dropping. Stochastics, MACD both dropping. Yeah, this is sort of beginning to sort of fall away. Could see a bit of a corrective move. So initial support 1915 on the hourly chart, but that 1909 area is clearly key. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.